Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Bernard Lodge Farmers Association has moved one step further in its bid to prevent the government from forcefully removing them from their farmlands. The association has retained the services of a lawyer as it steps up its fight to remain on the land. But Chairman of SCJ Holdings, Joseph Shukair, says the government's case is stronger. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
The farmers have mounted a fierce campaign to retain possession of the land, complaining about what they call the disrespectful treatment from the government, which is seeking to evict them from their farmlands. In response, the farmers threatened legal action if the issues weren't resolved. Spokesman for the group, Hugh Johnson, says the legal battle is now in full gear.
We have also engaged legal counsel on the matter. We have engaged Knight Junior Samuel's law firm to take up this matter on our behalf, which they have begun.
But while the farmers seek a legal route to derail their eviction, Chairman of SCJ Holdings, Joseph Shukair, says he doesn't believe they have a strong case.
Here's what I say to you. I have some legal training myself because my profession is that I'm a lawyer. I believe the government's case is insurmountable.
At the same time, the farmers have called for Mr. Shukair, who heads the Bernard Lodge Master Plan Enterprise team, to be removed.
We're asking on the Prime Minister to remove this chairman for us to have dialogue, or remove the minister, and if that fails, we'll even ask a further removal.
Mr. Johnson says the Farmers Association is a force to be reckoned with and revealed that the farmers are getting support from international groups and civil society. Most of the farmers entered into a lease agreement with the government for the lands they occupy. Some of the agreements allow for tenure up to 25 years. However, there is a clause in the agreement where the government can legally terminate the lease if it desires to use the land for public purposes. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.58. The Canadian closed at $97.03. The pound sterling is going for $164.29, while the euro ended the day at $141.75. Now, oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in May went down by 8 cents to settle at $62.56 a barrel. The JSE index lost 939 points today, while the junior market index is down by 7 points. Among today's winners were Fosterich, Stanley Motor, Radio Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic, and Jamaica Producers Group. On the losing side were Pulse Investments, Main Event Entertainment Group, Cygnus Credit Investment, Lasco Distributors, and 1834 Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.